Hello guys, today I've got JBL Endurance Peak 4 and I'm going to show you where are the microphones. So, as you can see, here we've got our earbud. Let me for example take the left one out of the place. So here we've got it, this is our left one. We need to take a look at this place where the JBL logo is printed, and here, as you can see on this shell, we've got this 6 holes right here. This is the microphone. I mean, microphones actually. These are the microphones for ANC. There are 2 of them, I think, and yeah, this is for ANC. However, when you turn it upside down over here, this is the microphone used for calls and audio. And as you can see right here, we've got the third one for the ANC. Again, I think it's for ANC. I'm not quite sure, but I think it's for ANC. That's it. Bye.